Now making suhoor or siri for 19 days Ramadan fasting. As usual, paratha. Then tea. We'll put now milk here. Fresh buffalo milk. Ayan yung milk. And then Padi buy also cake ras last night. And this is bread. And paratha. And pakoras also still. And this one I make hot rice also little for me. And yellow pulses. And today is March 9 and Monday. So 19 days Ramadan na tayo ngayon. Malapit na din ang aking birthday sa March 16 inshallah. So I'm already 60 years old. Alhamdulillah. So ayan natin dito para ayan. Isunod natin ito. Ayan si Langga, hindi siya natulog the whole night, kaya ako wala din tulog. Before alarm, gising na ako kasi hindi ako talaga nakatulog. Nakahiga lang ako. Now we'll cook now this organic vegetables. Spring onions, coriander leaves, and stalk of garlic. So now we'll put all this tomatoes and green chilies. My husband said to cook in frying pan. Now we'll put now this one. Salt, chili powder, and turmeric powder. And then 1 piece of potatoes. Ayan. Now we can put now also this organic vegetables. So this is our dinner after tari for 19 days Ramadan fasting. No chicken because my brother-in-law still did not send money. And tomato I borrow their app. So this is enough because yesterday I cooked this, what you call this? This one yellow beans. So I have still extra. So this is our dish. 2 dishes. Now we have to cover it. Simple lang tayo ngayon kasi wala pang budget na pambili ng ulam. Wala pa nga, hindi pa kami nakabili ng pang-Eid na dress. Pero sa akin, okay na yon yung luma last year. Pero ang lang si Fahad at saka si Fatma, si Langga. Kami nila kay okay na yun luma. No need new. Now let's check. This is good for chapati but for the rice. Because I keep spring onions for with the bagoong and slices of tomatoes. But I will eat also this one little and also this yellow pulses beans. You have to cook only in slow pan. Ito na yung spring onions at saka tomatoes. So ito na din yung bagoong isda na dala ito ni Lotlot. Yung sa yung sa Islamabad. Umuwi kasi siya last November. So pinadala niya ito last dalawang buwan yung bakasyon niya eh. So bumalik siya dito last December yata or January. So pinadala niya ako nito. Saka yung mga seeds may bagoong alamang din. Kaya salamat Lot sa iyong pinadala. Lagyan na natin ng bagoong isda. Ayan, mabango, ang bango. Of course with rice. Papainit ko na lang ito mamaya. Sarap ng bagoong. Yung sabaw-sabaw niya lang ang ilagay ko. Ayan, tama na ito. Ayan, sabaw niya. Bango. Sapat na ito sa akin. So this is almost cooked. But I will cook more. 5 minutes. So our viand for 19 days Ramadan is ready. And this one. And I have already rice. And this one. Yummy, yummy. And I will make only chapati and then pakoras also I make because yesterday I did not make. And fruit chat and sharbot. So, nakasurvive na kami sa aming 19 days Ramadan fasting, alhamdulillah. Frying pakoras. Our 19 days Ramadan fasting is ready. Yellow pulses beans, organic vegetables, chapatis, dates, sharbot with the chia seeds, fruit chat, rice, and pakoras. Alhamdulillah for all the foods.